think you done got worn out.
Come on.
Strike a pose. That's the pose
Freestyle. Freestyle.
Oh, son.
Do it.
Yeah, Yuri. Oh, wow. You didn't tell me you had moves like this?
Apparently.
My wife out dancing.
You've been hiding out, holding out on me.
She said it was news to her. What's up with that? You trying to say the best.
Are you going to go on backstage dancer for Lady Gaga? Yeah. What do you think,
First, you
Mishka?
might want to invest in a belt.
Yeah, you might want to invest in a belt.
Or your poker face.
They're doing that too. Well, they were. Oh yeah, raise them arms up. Raise the roof, Hubs. Woo!
Yay!
Good job, Hubs.